Hello everyone, welcome to the lecture on income from other sources. So this is also the head of income under the Income Tax Act 1961. So we will do the meaning of income from other sources, what are the various sources that are covered under this section, and then we do the basis of chargeability, and next we will discuss all the various provisions related to income from other sources, and we will do the numerical related to this chapter. So let's start the topic with the meaning of income from other sources. So let's start it. With the meaning of income from other sources. So this is the last head of income. As we know that there are 5 heads of income, so this is the last 5th head of income. So as per section 56 subsection 1, any income which is not exempted and which is not covered under the 4 heads of income will be chargeable under the head income from other sources. It means it does not fall under the 4 heads like salary, income from house property, income from business and profession, and the capital gain. So if the income does not fall in these heads and the income is not exempted, this will fall under the 5th head, which is known as income from other sources. Next is the main point here considered is that the receipt shall be taxable under this head if these conditions are satisfied. First condition is that the receipt shall be a taxable income. It is necessary that the income must be the taxable income. It is not the exempted income. Second is that it does not specifically fall under any of the other 4 heads of the income. So it does not fall under the 4 heads of the income. So the income which is not taxable income and which does not fall which is the taxable income and which does not fall any of the 4 heads of income is known as the income from the other sources. So section 56 subsection 2 lays down a list of all the incomes which are covered under this head. The list is given but it is not exhaustive. Apart from the income stated in section 56 subsection 2, if any other income which is fulfilling the above 2 conditions, then they shall be taxable under this head of income from other sources. So let's move on to the further slide. So section 56 subsection 2 lays down the list of incomes which are specifically taxable under this head. So they provide the list, but one thing noticeable here is that the list is given, but any income which fulfills the above 2 conditions that we have earlier discussed will fall under this category. So first part that the section 256(2) provides that the income that are absolutely chargeable under this head. So first one is dividend, that is covered under section 56 subsection 2(1). Second is the casual income. Casual income is the income that is from the winning from the lottery, horse races or card games. Next is gift. Gift is covered under section 56 subsection 10. Next is the share premium in excess of fair market value of the shares. Next is the income by the way of interest received on compensation or on enhanced compensation. Next is sum of the money received as an advance or otherwise in the course of negotiation for the transfer of capital assets if such sum is forfeited and the negotiation do not result in transfer of such asset. So we will discuss these all in the upcoming slides. So first of all, it is necessary to know that which incomes are under the income from